people on the other side of the smartboard. You know me, Lily, and I'm going to be telling you about tornadoes so that when they come, you don't have to do this. Ah! This is Darby.
Hi.
And she's going to help a little. So now that I have my introduction, I will now start the facts. This is my tornado picture, okay?
Okay.
The definition of a tornado in the computer's definition. A rotating column of air ranging in width from a few yards to more than a mile and whirling at destructively high speeds, usually accompanied by a funnel-shaped downward extension of a cumulonimbus cloud. What? My words. A funnel of rotating winds, normally an extension of a cumulonimbus cloud. That makes sense. How to protect yourself from a tornado. Number 1. Identify and visit a nearby tornado shelter. Number 2. Write out a tornado plan for your family. Number 3. If there's a tornado, go to the basement. How to protect your house. Number 1. Install sturdy L brackets to secure your major appliances to a wall. Number 2. Remove flammable materials. Number 3. Make sure you have the right insurance and not the bad type. Signs of a tornado are: number 1. Debris falling from the sky. Number 2. Hail or heavy rain. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Followed by either calmness or intense wind. Intense wind. Intense wind. A historic occurrence of a tornado is the Palm Sunday tornado, which was on April 11th, 1965, and this is a picture of the damage done by it. So sad, I know, right?
No.
4 pictures of areas destroyed by tornadoes. Number 1. Respectful silence, please. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Fun facts! The most powerful. Thanks, and I will continue. Okay, the most powerful tornadoes occur in the U.S. Most tornadoes only last a few minutes.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
A few minutes later.
Is the tornado done yet?
Yes!
Tornadoes have been in every state in the U.S.
That's a lot of states.
Thanks for watching. Now we have a special dance for you performed by Annabelle.
Tornado, tornado, we don't like tornado. Tornado, tornado, we don't like tornado. Tornado is bad, tornado is bad, 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 bad. Tornado, tornado, a swirling vortex of terror. Tornado, tornado, better go to your basement.
Yay!
Tornado.
Yeah! Again, thanks for watching. I'm sorry about the Darby accidentally paused it. So, as we were saying, thank you for watching. And now, on to the next person, whoever it is.